No, please no. Oh my goodness. Is it morning already? Just 5 more minutes. Just 5. The dream was so good. I was on a beach, I was eating ice cream, and now I am here, in my bedroom, and the alarm is looking at me. Okay, Julia, you can do this. You are strong. You are a warrior. 1, 2, 2.5, 3. Up. Brr. Whew. Why is the floor always so cold? It is like ice. Slippers. Where are my slippers? Aha! Come here, you warm little friends. Ah, much better. I look at the other side of the bed. Mark is sleeping. He looks like a bear in winter. Look at him. He is smiling in his sleep. He is probably dreaming about football or pizza. Shh. Sleep well, Mr. Bear. Your alarm goes off in 20 minutes. But my day starts now. Welcome to my office, the kitchen. It is quiet right now. I love this time. No phone calls, no TV, just me and the coffee machine. Oh wow, that is the smell of life. Careful, careful. Don't spill it, Julia. There. Now we wait for the magic potion. While the coffee is brewing, I need to make breakfast. Mark likes eggs. I like toast. Let's get cooking. Good morning, Mr. Egg. Please don't stick to the pan today. Be nice to me. I love that sound. It sounds like a busy morning. Oh, I hear footsteps. The bear is awake. Good morning, honey.
Julia, did you wash my white shirt? The one for the meeting?
Yes, Mark, it is hanging on the door right in front of your eyes. Husbands, they can never find anything, even if it's right there.
Oh, found it. Thanks. You are the best. Mwah. What smells so good?
Coffee. And your eggs. Sit down. You have 10 minutes.
This is great. I am so nervous about today. Big presentation.
Don't worry. You are smart. You are funny. They will love you. Wait, your collar's messy. Let me fix it. There. Now you look like a boss.
Okay, I gotta run. Bye, honey.
Bye. And swoosh. He's gone. Phew. The tornado has passed. Now, look at this table. Crumbs everywhere, a half-empty cup, a napkin on the floor. Well, Julia, the show is over. Now the real work begins. Some people pay money to go to the gym. Me, I clean the living room. It's the same thing. Okay, dust bunnies. I'm coming for you. Sweep, sweep, sweep. You know, sometimes I get bored. It's just cleaning, cleaning, cleaning. So I need music.
Yes, this is it. I want to break free. I want to break free.
I am dancing with the broom. If the neighbors see me through the window, they will think I am crazy.
Hello, yes, I am dancing.
Now the heavy lifting, the vacuum. This thing is heavy. Push, pull, push, pull. My arms are burning. Whew, it is hot in here. Wait, what is this under the sofa? Ooh, almost got it. A sock. Oh my gosh, the missing sock. Mark has been looking for this for a week. Where were you? Were you hiding from the laundry basket? You naughty sock. Life is full of mysteries. The machine is spinning, round and round. I stare at it. It is hypnotic. Sometimes when I am folding clothes, I think about my life. I am happy, yes. I have a nice home, a good husband, but sometimes I miss my old job. I used to work in an office. I talked to people, I wore nice shoes, not slippers. Now, my boss is a pile of dirty shirts. No, Julia, don't be sad. This is important work too. If I don't wash these clothes, Mark goes to work naked. Bwah! Imagine that. Mark at the meeting with no pants. Okay, that cheered me up. My stomach is talking to me. Did you hear that? It sounds like a monster. Feed me, Julia, feed me. Okay. It is lunchtime. But cooking for myself is boring. When Mark is here, I make big meals. Chicken, pasta, salad. When I am alone, I see a block of cheese and some grapes and crackers. That's it. That is my lunch. Girl dinner. I put my feet up. This is the best part of the day. I take my phone out. Let's see what is happening on Instagram. Oh, look! My cousin went to Paris. Look at that croissant. It looks so crunchy. And here I am eating a cracker in my living room. Someday, Julia, someday we will go to Paris. But for now, crunch. This cracker is not bad. Oh, a phone call. A human voice. Hello? Hi, Mom. It is my mother. Hi, Mom. How are you? Yes, I am fine. I'm eating a very healthy salad. I am lying. I'm eating cheese. Yes, Mom, the house is clean. Yes, I am taking my vitamins. We talk for 30 minutes. She tells me about her garden, about the cat, about the neighbor's new car. It's nice. The house feels less empty when I hear her voice. Okay, Mom. Love you. Bye. That was nice. But now, back to reality. I need to get out of the house. The walls are closing in. I need milk and maybe chocolate. Definitely chocolate. I grab my bag. Hello, outside world. The sun is shining. Fresh air. I walk to the shop. Oh, look! It is Mrs. Robinson. She lives next door. She loves to talk. Oh no, if I stop, she will talk for an hour.
Hello, Mrs. Robinson.
Oh, hello, Julia.
In a hurry, need milk. Bye.
All right, dear.
That was close. I am in the shop. I love the supermarket. It is organized. I look at the prices. Oh my goodness! Look at the price of these tomatoes. Are they made of gold? Hello, Mr. Tomato. Why are you so expensive? No, thank you. I will buy the frozen ones. Being a housewife means being a manager. I have to manage the money. I get the milk, the bread, and... Yes, you are coming with me. My reward for cleaning the toilet. Into the basket. Shh, don't tell Mark. Back home. Unpack the bags. Now the clock is ticking. Tick-tock. Mark comes home at 6. I need to make dinner, a real dinner, not crackers. I will make a curry. It is warm and spicy. Chop, chop, chop. I cut the onions. Oh no, here it comes. Sniff. Boo! The onions are attacking me. My eyes. I must look terrible. Red eyes, messy hair, flour on my apron, but the food smells amazing. Round and round. Perfect. A little salt. Done. I quickly run to the mirror. Oh, Julia, you look like you fought a war. Better. A little lipstick? Why not? I want to look nice for him. And for me. He's here.
I'm home.
Welcome back. How was the big meeting?
It was long. My boss yells, the computer broke. It was a nightmare.
How was your day? Did you do anything fun?
I think about the cold floor, the dancing with the broom, the missing sock, the expensive tomato. It sounds silly compared to his big meeting, but I smile. Oh, you know, just the usual. I fought with some dust bunnies, I rescued a lost sock, and I made this curry.
Wow, it smells incredible. You saved my day, Julia.
Honestly, I just want to eat and sit on the sofa with you.
Go wash up. Dinner is ready.
Okay, I'll be right there.
Dinner is over. The kitchen is clean. Again. We are on the sofa. Mark is falling asleep. His head is on my shoulder. He's heavy, but I don't move. It feels nice. The house is warm. The chores are done. I feel tired. My legs hurt. My back hurts. Yawn. But I feel good. I look around the room. I made this home happy today. I took care of everything. I may not have a boss, I may not get a gold star, but I know I did a good job. Time for bed. Tomorrow, the alarm will ring again. The floor will be cold again, and I will do it all again. Because I am Julia, the queen of this castle. Good night, world. Good night.
Groan, to make a low sound because of pain, tiredness, or annoyance. Example: she groaned when the alarm rang early. Rustling, a soft sound made by moving paper, clothes, or sheets. Example, I heard the rustling of leaves in the wind. Shiver, to shake because of cold or fear. Example, he shivered in the cold morning air. Brew, to make coffee or tea. Example, I brew coffee every morning. Sizzle, a hissing sound when food cooks in a pan. Example, the vegetables began to sizzle in the pan. Frantic, very worried and in a hurry. Example, he made a frantic phone call before the meeting. Crumbs, very small pieces of bread or food. Example, there were crumbs all over the table. Mystery, something strange or hard to understand. Example, the missing keys were a mystery. Hypnotic, so interesting that you cannot stop looking. Example, the spinning fan was hypnotic. Grumble, a low, unhappy sound. Example, my stomach grumbled before lunch. Crunchy, hard food that makes a loud sound when eaten. Example, the apple was fresh and crunchy. Exhausted, extremely tired. Example, he felt exhausted after a long day at work. Nightmare, a very bad or stressful experience. Example, the broken computer made the meeting a nightmare. Comfortable, making you feel relaxed and safe. Example, their home felt warm and comfortable.